Hello and welcome back to the Car Artisan channel. Today I will show you a few tricks and hidden features of this BMW first series, the BMW F40. Now, first feature is, most of you probably know about it, this is the key, and if you press and hold the unlock button, as you can see, the windows will all roll down, and if you have a sunroof, which this version doesn't have, it opens as well. Now, to close the windows, all you need to do is to press and hold the lock button, and it closes all the windows. And this is actually a great feature. For example, if it's summer, if it's hot outside and you want to go for a ride, so before going out, just look through the window, press and hold the unlock button, open the windows and let the all hot air out. Now, another hidden feature of this and actually other BMWs is, as you can see right here, you have all your radio presets. But to see what the preset is, you don't actually need to press it. What you can do is you can hold your finger right here and look at the screen, and you can just slide your finger across them, and as you can see, it does not select the preset, but what it does on the top of the screen, it just shows you what your presets are. Next feature is if you want to change your wipers, or if it's winter and you don't want to get your wipers stuck and you want to keep your wipers up, what you need to do is to stop the car and hold down the wipers. Keep holding, and there it is. Now, as you can see, I released the lever and they stopped right here. Now you can go and pop them out or change them or let them stay this way. That's it. Another feature we are going to talk about is how to reset your trip meter. Now, as you can see, we have some mileage right here, and if we want to reset it, we need just to hold this BC button. So let's press and hold it, and as you can see, it's all zeros now. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. This is the few hidden features of this 1 Series BMW F40. So thank you guys for watching. Please press like, subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos and car reviews, and see you on the next one. Bye!